In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sendwave in 2025 with a full guide designed specially for beginners. Let's dive right into it, starting with accessing the Sendwave app on your mobile device. Once you have the app opened up, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface ready to get you started on your journey to sending money effortlessly. First thing, you'll need to enter some details about yourself. Go ahead and fill in your full name, email address, and phone number. You'll also need to specify where you're planning to send money to as a first step. It's crucial to ensure this information is entered correctly to prevent errors later in the process. Next, type in the details about your recipient. You'll start by choosing the country to which you want to send money. This is important as it sets the foundation for the following steps. Once you've selected the country, enter the amount you wish to send and observe the conversion to what the recipient will receive. The app conveniently displays this in the respective currency, providing transparency in the conversion process. With that information entered, click on the Continue to Send button. This will advance you to the next phase of this process. Here, you'll be prompted to choose a payout method. Consider how the recipient prefers to receive the funds, as there are usually multiple options available, each catering to different needs. Next, you'll be required to enter recipient-specific details. This includes their first name, surname, and mobile number. Remember, accuracy is key. You'll need to double-check these inputs, particularly the mobile number, which must be typed twice to confirm it's correct. Following this, select your payout method from the provided options. After making your selection, proceed to choose the country again as a formality, ensuring you're directing the funds to the right destination. Once the country is set, click on Continue to Send once more. Moving to the payment phase, you'll need to add your card information. Ensure it's up to date and correct, then click Save to store this payment method within the app. You may also need to add an address as part of your information, so make sure you fill in these details completely. With all necessary information entered and reviewed, click Finish to wrap up the setup process. Before finalizing, the app will ask you to state your reasons for sending the money. This may involve selecting from a list of predefined reasons that align closest with your transaction's purpose. Finally, after reviewing all details and confirming they are correct, proceed to the final step, confirming your transfer. This is the moment all your careful input culminates in actually sending the funds. Double-check everything for peace of mind, and once ready, confirm the transfer. And that's it! You've now successfully navigated through the Sendwave app to transfer money easily and securely right from your phone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy sending!